time, it's slime time. Hello everybody, it's me, Susie from Susie's Toy Chest. By the way, I'm wearing a bow today. If you guys were wondering, I've got some slime. Yeah. I'm going to take the slime out. It is very sticky slime. I got this as a Valentine. Here is the slime, and it is very cool. And just stretch it. I love slime so much. I only have this one pack, but I wish I had more slime. I want to make more. Oh my goodness. This I did not make, by the way, if you guys were wondering if I made this. I got this as a Valentine for my friend. Which was nice of them. Oh my goodness, it keeps sticking to me, you guys. And I have to I think slime is amazing, and I'm just dabbing all the slime off my fingers. Slime is the bomb. And if you don't like slime, who are you? Slime is super stretchy, and I love it so much. And I'm so glad I have some slime. I've been wanting slime for a very long time, and it is just amazing. And whoa, there's hair in my slime. But I have to make sure that I get all the slime back into the container so that it doesn't dry out. And I love how super stretchy it is. It's slime time. It's a slime time. I'm wearing it as a mustache. Who likes my new mustache? Hello. I'm mustache. You are question. Super cool. Dab. Dab. So, yeah, that's slime. I'm in love with slime. I just need to make some. This I did not make again. Yeah, so that's my slime. It's so beautiful tonight. So, yash, this is my slime. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like slime, and just because it's a cool video. And yeah, this smells weird, and I shouldn't do that. And so yeah, I just think this is a very fun toy. Comment down below if you like slime, and what kind of videos should I make? Should I make any in the future or anything? So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Yeah, my singing voice is so beautiful. I have to go now. Goodbye. Sometime I should do a Susie's Toy Chest video with me just playing with slime and showing my hands and stuff. Would that be cool or what? So, see you all in my next video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye and enjoy the fun.